Okay, we have a Mori Seiki vertical machining center, model DURAVERTICAL 5080, serial number 5005HB1320. Machine was new in 2008. We're gonna run it for you. Machine has a Mori MSX 504 Roman numeral 3 control with FANUC back end and drives and motors. The machine has 31.5 inches in X, 20.9 in Y, and 20.1 in Z. Right now we're running the spindle. How much?
2,500.
2,500 RPM. It's very quiet. 5,000 RPM. Goes up to 10. That's 7,500. Machine has a Cat 40 spindle, 23 by 43 T-slotted table. We're going to do a tool change. You have a side mount tool changer, 30 tool ATC. We're going to do it again. Okay. That's your Z axis. Your Y. And your X. Machine also has a chip conveyor. And hey, thank you for watching our video.